If you already have a website, you might want to check to see if the site is already indexed in the search engines, and if so, how deeply. How many pages on the site are included in the index? You can do this using the site:"domain name syntax in both Google and Bing. Yahoo gets its search results from Bing, so there's no need to check Yahoo separately. All you need to do is type site: followed by your domain name and press enter. Both Google and Bing will show you search results on your site and tell you how many pages are indexed. This isn't always an accurate number, in particular with very large sites. As you click through the results pages, the number may change, but it does give you a good idea of how much of a site is indexed. Of course, you can use this to check up on competitors' sites too. You can also use this technique to find out how many pages in your site or a competing site have a particular piece of text. Just start with the site: piece, then add the text you want to search for, like this. By the way, when you put a search term into quotation marks like this, you're asking the search engine to search for that particular exact phrase, not just the separate words. You can even examine the site in more detailed ways using other search functions like this. In this case, I'm asking Google to find pages in this site that contain the text rabbit-hutch in the URL. This won't work on Bing because the in-URL syntax isn't used by Bing. Obviously, you have to match up the correct syntax for the search engine you're using. What if you do have a site and it isn't indexed? Why would that be? Well, that's something I'll explain in the next lesson.